Hi everyone, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide. In this video, I will show you how to reset notification settings on WhatsApp. Resetting your notification settings allows you to restore default alerts, helping you manage your notifications effectively. So, let's get started on how to reset notification settings on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Tap on the settings option from the bottom of your screen. Go to the notification settings. Here you can see the reset notification settings option at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. A confirmation message will appear asking if you really want to reset your notification settings. Tap on reset to confirm and apply the changes. And this is how you can reset notification settings on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.